there, art nerds. Today we are talking about Paul Rubens watercolors again. Today we have their G4 tubes. They come in this nice matte finish cardboard box. Inside are our tubins. And I was so impressed with so many of my experiences with Paul Rubens products that I did it again. I wanted to see if the G4 watercolors are truly better than their older watercolor tubes. Compare these against their G4 half pans and actually start digging into the pigment. So this is a pretty long one. We get pretty in depth, and I believe that this review may answer questions that the other Paul Rubens reviews that I've seen online dance around. So as someone who has reviewed several different Paul Rubens products, I can actually tell you guys if these are worth buying, if these are worth their money, and if they are truly an improvement on older Paul Rubens tubes. I am so excited to talk to you guys about this set today. Hello there, art nerds. We are about to spend a lot of time talking about Paul Rubens. We have the solid watercolor. We have the newer tube watercolors, which are supposed to be an improvement on the old ones. And I really like the old ones, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how they've improved them. We have the classical art, and these are kind of like Kuretake Gensai Tambe pans in terms of format, and we have their opaque watercolor. Don't worry, we're not doing all four of these in one video. That would be ridiculous. I'm going to break this up into 4 separate videos, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what to look forward to. Today, we're going to be talking about the artist watercolors. I purchased these on Amazon, and I'm going to show you what the current listing is going for. I believe I purchased these either on Prime Day or on Black Friday, so I did not pay full price for these. So my goals for today are to unbox these. We are going to swatch them while they're still wet. Then I'm going to set them up in half pans and let them dry out to test their reconstitutionability. Now, I really like my other set of Paul Rubens watercolors, so I may also bring those out and do some comparative swatching so we can see how the two compare. I am open-minded that these can actually be better than the other ones, but the other ones were pretty dang good, and they are a lot of fun to paint with. And it was the set that came with the little pink palette with like the Stay Fresh watercolors, so like that's a hard one to beat, y'all. So today is going to be interesting. This box came shrink wrapped, and it's a pretty classy matte cardboard box. My passion comes from the heavens, not from earthly musings. We have 24 colors in 5 milliliter tubes. On the back, we have a little bit of information, but not too much. Now for the reveal. Inside, we have a little brochure. Ooh, this is hard to read. So this is our pigment information, our opacity information, our light fastness information for all of these colors. We have a lot of single pigment colors, but we also have several 2 and 3 pigment colors. Well, yes, pigment colors. There's a space in there. Pigment colors, not pigment colors, not color of the pigment. So this also comes in 5 milliliter, which is what we have today, 15 milliliter and 60 milliliter tubes for those of us who paint a lot. And oh, such tiny print in so many different languages.